Alright, lastly tonight, any inequality, just like any equation that has a variable on both sides, can give us some special situations or special cases, and I'll show you what those are. But just a quick review, what we do when we have a variable on both sides. The first thing you want to do is get those variables together, bring your besties together, and then isolate that variable after you've done that. So I would subtract 3x on both sides here, and that would cancel those out. So we'd be left with 8, and 1x minus 3x is negative 2x. And we now have the variable isolated on one side, but we need to completely isolate it by dividing by negative 2 on both sides. However, when we do that, we have to flip our sign around, dividing by a negative. So x is greater than negative 4. And we've been over the graphing, so I'm not going to do that. And we've also been over checking your answer. So it is a little different when you've got a variable on both sides, but we can check. So anything greater than negative 4 should work. Let's try negative 3. Alright, so if x is negative 3, we'd have negative 3 is less than 3 times negative 3 plus 8. Alright, we'll see if this works here. So negative 3 is less than, this would come out to negative 9, and negative 9 plus 8 is negative 1. Well, is negative 1 greater than negative 3? Yes, so we are correct. Alright, so that's just a quick review on how you bring your variables together. You would do the same thing here. I won't go through the whole thing, but distribute first 6 minus 6x less than 3x, and then add your 6x to both sides. So we got 6 and 9x. We do end up getting a fraction on that one, but then you can solve divided by 9. So let's get to those special cases. As we know, sometimes the variables cancel each other out. So for instance, on the left side, a here, if I subtract x on both sides, x is gone, completely gone, and we're left with 5 is greater than or equal to 3. If the statement comes out true, because 5 is greater than or equal to 3, this is an all real numbers situation. Any number that you want to put in for x will work for that. And as you might guess then, the one on the right side is going to work out to no solution. So let's see what this looks like. So 2x plus 6 less than 5 plus 2x. And you can see that our 2x's are going to cancel out after we try to bring them together. So gone. And now we're left with 6 is less than 5. 6 is not less than 5 though. So if it ever comes out not true, that is our no solution case. So just like when we did this with normal equations. So we can run into that anytime the variable is on both sides and they cancel out each other. So just gotta look for a true statement or a not true statement. Alright, that's all I've got for you.